Welcome to Emilac online tutorial. Before us is this exponential equation, and it says 3 raised to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 raised to the power of x then equals to 10 all divided by 81. And we ask to find the value of x. Alright, how do we find the value of x? Now, let's first of all expand this. Now recall that in the law of indices, where you have x raised to the power of a plus b, now this is the same thing as saying x raised to the power of a now times x raised to the power of b. So in this, since they have the same base, now the power will need to be summed up to give you this. Now since we have this which represent this, so let us now express this into this format. So this will give us 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power of 2 then plus 3 raised to the power of x all equals to 10 all over 81. Now if you look at this now, you see that between this and this there is a common factor which is 3 raised to the power of x. Alright, this is simply saying, let us say this is a b plus a. Now you see their common factor, and if we are to factor out a here, we have that a into b plus 1, right? Alright, now let us use this rule for this. So if we are to factor out 3 raised to the power of x, so here you have 3 raised to the power of x into, you have 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 then equals 10 all over 81. Okay, alright, so with this now we can now move forward. Now with this now we can now say this is 3 raised to the power of x, this is 9 plus 1 then equals 10 all over 81. So moving further, we can now comment that this is 3 raised to the power x then times whatever is in the bracket which is 10 then equals 10 over what? 81. Alright, with this now let us divide through by 10. So that is the, let us multiply through by the reciprocal of 10. So by the reciprocal of 10 we can now say this is 1 over 10 into 3 x times 10 then equals 1 over 10 all to the, in bracket, 10 over 81. Alright, with this now, take note all these are 1. So this will cancel this will cancel this. So we are left with 3 raised to the power of x equals 1 over 81. Now we know that also in the law of indices, that when we have 1 over x as a fraction, now in form of indices now, here this one, the x now becomes x raised to the power of minus 1. Alright, if you now apply this rule or this law to this, when I say this is x raised to the power of, 3 raised to the power of x equals 81 raised to the power of 1. Okay, now moving further here, we can now say 3 raised to the power of x. Now if I were to convert this to a base of 3, now we know that 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which actually give us 81. So with this now 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can now say this is 3 all raised to the power of 4 minus 1. So and then from the law of indices also we can say we have that a raised to the power of a all to the power of b is something as saying x. Now we have the power to be multiplied, so we have ab. So if you apply this rule here, we have 3x all raised to the power of 3 raised to the power minus 4, because 4 times minus 1 give us this. So since we have the same base, we can just cancel out. So here we have that x equals to minus 4. Alright, the final answer for this is x equals to minus 4. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in maths, chemistry and physics. Thank you and God bless you.